Exercise question number 1. Y equal 2 to the power minus 6 we want to sketch. So we have to remember these graphs. First of all, if you can remember y equal 2x graph, 2 to the power x graph, so we can see that this kind of graph, x, and then 2 to the power minus x graph is going to be the other way around, like this. It is going to 0, 1. So this is y equal 2 to the power x. This is y equal 2 to the power minus 6. So y equal 2 to the power minus x means 2 to the power minus x. It means 1 over 2 x. So if you see this is minus, it doesn't mean that this constant is negative, because exponential function defined for positive values, positive constants. Part B, y equal 5 to the power ex minus 1. So we need to start, you want to think about what is ex look like. Then what is 5ex look like. Then 5ex minus look like. We know that ex is this kind of graph, going 0, 1. Then 5ex, it means it's a stretch, vertical stretch. This is going to be 0, 5, x and y. And this one, so translation, we want to shift this system back by 1. Now what is the horizontal asymptote? Horizontal asymptote, this is y equals 0. When you pull down by 1, this y equals 0 become y equal minus 1. And this one, this graph come down, and as a result this is going to be 0 and 4. So this is this one. So I magnify the graph. So this is the graph. So we can explain that. First of all, ex to 5 ex. So this is a vertical stretch. Initially, vertical stretch with scalar factor 5 of the graph y equal ex. Then we shift it down by 1 unit. So translation by shifting 1 unit down. The next one is y equal ln x. If you are not sure about this, we can come differently. I can write this is x equal e to the power y. Then I can change x and y. So this y equal e to the power x. So in other way, this is the, if this is the graph, this is the inverse graph. If this is the graph, then this is the inverse. A is a friend of B, then B is a friend of A. So that's the one each other. They are inverses and functions. If this is function, this is inverse. If this is inverse, this is function. So assume that I think you can remember that I explained how to find the inverse function. For example, y equal 3x plus 1. So we make x as a subject, y minus 1 over 3 equal x. Then we interchange x and y. X to y, y to x. So y equal x minus 1 over 3. The same thing I did to this graph. X equal ey, then I change. So y equal ex. Now you know what is the shape of the graph. Y equal ex. Yx equal going like this. And this is going to be 0 and 1. This is x-axis and y-axis. Now we want to draw y equal nx. We discussed this one. Bring y equal x line. This is y equal x line. Then we keep a mirror in here and then we draw something like this. The mirror reflection. So this is 1 0. So this is y equal ln x. If you can remember, you can straight away draw. Otherwise